Stay tuned. I don't think I'm gonna get in the water again because low-key feel like I'm getting sick. I need to pee, so I'm gonna have to go to the bathroom. But I have to go brush my teeth first. BTW, this is where I'm staying at. That's my sister, and then my mom and dad sleep over there. Look how they're bringing the tent. This is what we're eating. That Jorge and Janet made is busted. This is my second one. We're gonna go swimming.
I don't think I'm gonna get in the water again because I feel like I'm getting sick.
I got my sunscreen and I got a Mikey. Everyone's over here already. Pa! ¿Está fría? Well, we're out here swimming.
A few inches later.
Okay, come here, guys. We're gonna go to the bathroom right now. Wait, but my Crocs are squeaky. What's that noise? Get better shoes, vlogger. I mean, get better shoes, videographer. I'll show you DIY how you take a shit. Anyone in here?
A few inches later.
Me and my mom are desaparando, or what's it called? Deshebrando el pollo loco right now. No. Are you gonna hug me too?
Rude.
Ah, no. I don't know. I don't need these no more. Mira, lómelo el pollo from there. Ándale, mija. No me importa un carajo porque sé que volverá. What do you want water for? The what's that one challenge called? When everyone like doesn't move. Mannequin challenge? I don't know why she's not moving. She's gay as hell. Let's go over here. I was kind of helping my mom. Desembrar the pollo. The rest, I think she got it. I will not participate in going there because I will fall. If I fall, I'm blaming it on you. And then I'm gonna come get you. Okay?
Aesthetic picture that one. Oh, look, there's fish. Look at Dulce, she's naturistic that one. Naturistic that one? Oh fuck, how am I gonna get back up? We're naturistic that one. Okay, here's your camera back.
Thank you. 5-star videographer.
Oh.
Manager! Manager!
You're gonna hear me breathing in the background.
Manager. It's okay. Lo podemos poner. Wait, it's this one. This goddamn shit is hot.
A few inches later.
Look at these big bags waiting to eat. Look at those big bags. Look at, there's another one walking by.
Girl, you were in line first, before me.
Because Dulce is supposed to be recording, but she sucks. Dulce wants to be different so bad. Everybody's eating burgers and steak and papas. And she went and got a fucking tostada. Look at all these fucking bugs.
So is there drinks?
There's a big ass one next to me too.
Yeah, but she's there left. What? You're talking about her?
I want to be
Don't
different
sound
so
like
bad.
There was no more.
And I told you to go get some. Pero no tienes que. Eso es tu problema.
I went when you told me.
No, because
That guy should have told us there was.
Look at her. Ashy ankles, kinkles.
I actually have lotion on.
her spiky legs.
Why are they spiky? Because my hair's growing?
She just stabbed me with her legs.
Shut up. They're not that
They're
long.
like fucking
You
cactuses.
can't even see them.
They're like cactuses.
No, they're not. You can't even see them unless you look at them very close.
They're dead ass cactuses.
They don't even poke you.
Look, she's rubbing her leg on me. I'm literally gonna call the cops. She's hitting me with a cactus.
Está bien mensa, no se sabe bañar.
Y tú también, and you're
No,
fucking
not.
22.
Who the hell side are you on? Girl, turn around. With your dirty legs. Just kidding.
That's why her hair isn't even red. It's turning brown again. That shit looks like fucking shit stains. No. Stay.
Brown, you hater. It's fucking red still.
She's already tipsy, bro. How's your day going?
Good.
What'd you do today?
Swim mostly.
Yeah, she was up in there like a mermaid.
Yeah.
She learned how to swim yesterday. How did it feel knowing that you know how to swim?
Good. Great.
Are you having fun so far on day 2? Is it day 2?
Yeah.
Day 2 of camping?
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, that's great. Nah, in a
Come here, Dulce. Why you have an attitude?
First of all, cause you said my hair looked like shit.
I didn't. I was just joking.
Yeah, you did. You're like, your hair looks like shit. Nomás para que vean qué tipo de persona es.
I'm a good person.
Yeah, that's mean to me. It says that my hair looks like shit.
It doesn't.
Yeah, I don't believe you. Shut up.
Oh, fucker. How's your day going?
It was good until someone said my hair looks like shit.
I didn't say that.
But I'm also tipsy. No, not yet. I'm like, so that's
Look,
what happened.
wait, don't move, don't move, don't move. Look, wait, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move. Look at the mosquito on your forehead.
Take it off. Ow, you can give me a concussion.
She says since she's not happy, we have to not be happy.
No es cierto.
Don't you think that's kind of mean?
Wait, you said I said what? Repeat yourself, please.
So how's your day?
Ah, no.
The mosquito on your forehead. Again.
Sandra, I'm goodness.
I'm helping you out.
No dancing. What you drinking, Mom? What you drinking? Smirnoff? Got the little campfire thing going on. Got everyone here. Everyone.
Follow it. 12 seconds later.
Guys, I'm hella drunk. I'm hella drunk right now. Mom, Jana, say hi. Here's Sandrita. Hi, Sandrita. Oh shit, where's my camera? The drunk? Just kidding, no, I'm not. Fuck you.
She won't even put this in the video.
Wait. Sandra, are you drunk? A little bit?
A lot of it.
Ah, no, who's gonna take care of us? I'll take care of you. Yeah?
No, she drowned me in water the other day.
My mom's drinking. Should I dance with her?
Yeah, go dance. Look, there's no fall. Look at Junior.
lagos, me olvido de ella. Look at that. I don't fucking dance. Hey, hey. Wait, Wednesday, day 3, Saturday. Today, look at my tan lines. Today's our last full day here. Our last night, because tomorrow we're leaving. I mean, like at 12 maybe? Like, we're gonna start packing like at 10 and then try to be out by 12. Leslie's sleeping.
3 days later.
I just got out of the water. Let's go over here real quick. Basically, I learned how to swim today. I got in the water. Ew, look at me. Not yet. Ew, I'm so cringe. It's kind of sad. I like this life. Life. This nature life. Fucking, I just don't like all the fucking mosquitoes. This is one of the tents. That tent. And then this tent. And then everyone's cooking over there. And then, oh, giving them a forest tour.
The forest tour, yeah, fell stuff on your face.
Like what? This is Sandrita. Yeah, I was telling them that I finally know how to swim.
Wait, were you like actually swimming?
Yeah. I was giving up though because that was tiring.
But if we swim tomorrow, I want to see. Look at your tan.
Oh yeah, I know. Wait.
Dude,
I'm sitting in one of these. Alright, bye.
no.
When are you making the churros con papas?
Later.
Like when?
When I take a nap. Leave me alone.
Wait.
You gotta even move the
Okay, guys, you should go.
Over there.
Fuck no, that's scary.
She needs to take that one. Look at the picture.
It's better down there.
So pretty.
Look, there's a little foot.
A few minutes later.
Go back there, Hayden. I don't know the way back.
I'm sweating. I just wet my shoes. Something tells me Sandrita doesn't even know where we're going.
I do, bruh.
Okay.
Your mouth closed,
Oh my gosh, I'm tired.
I can't even feel my feet.
Sandra! She just
Yo, I think. Yo, let's just chill right here. Whoa. This is crazy.
This is workout. Exactly.
Yeah, this is the first time fun time camping?
I know. It's hot.
We're out in the wilderness. We've been in here for 50 days.
Look at my pants and my shoes.
But now, which way do we walk? That way.
Help!
Whose girl is this?
Let's go like this.
We almost there anyway. Let's just walk that way. Alright, bye-bye.
Si me tiras, vas conmigo, ¿eh?
I'll go down with you.
Yeah. You'll go down with me.
Wait, stop.
Guys, we're hearing stuff.
We're right here.
They put the lights there. The lights over here.
Come on, bring everything to us.
Watch the movie again?
Yeah.
Let's
Wait.
go. Can we watch the movie?
The Conjuring?
Go finish the movie, it's good.
Okay.
Don't make sure you go back over there.
Yes, yes, yes.
No, I think it's fine.
The one scared it away. Yeah, probably that did. Here, you want this? Actually, give me that. I'm gonna go pee.
3 days later.
We're packing to leave already, chat. Alright, we're leaving. As you guys can see, we're packing. Show. Yeah. We got Janet and Jorge over here packing. We got my dad putting things on the... And now we're leaving. Kind of sad. It was a fun time, right, guys? It was alright.
W, and we're gonna go get bread.
I like this life because I don't have to remember anything that's going on in my personal life. This was a vacation. We're on the bridge. Can I record it for you? Yeah, go record. Hello.